The theme is the emotional element that is woven through your story that drives the characters forward. For example, in Romeo and Juliet, the theme is love conquers all. Theme is the most important element to your story. It must be established early and be consistent throughout the script. Theme keeps your story focused. It links the plot to the subplots, characters, and dialogue. The hero or main character's goal is to prove the theme. The antagonist's role is to disprove the theme. All your characters must be aligned with one side or the other. Likewise, the same with your subplots. It's important to remember, do not preach to your audience. In the movie Billy Elliot, the theme of pursuing your dreams no matter what is evident in Billy's desire to dance. While his father believed you suppress your dreams to do what's expected of you by others.